Howdy everyone, Carrie Ostergard here, first year admission counselor from Elmhurst University's Office of Admission. That basically means that I am one of the go-to guides here in our office to assist all of the prospective and admitted students with our admission and enrollment process. This video here is going to be the first of many videos that we post as part of our new series, How to EU, here in our YouTube channel. It's essentially going to be a go-to playlist, go-to guide for all prospective and admitted students as they complete the admission process and kickstart the enrollment process. So stay tuned because this video in particular is going to go over how to submit the tuition and housing deposit, both of which can help a student secure their place here at Elmhurst University if they want to in fact become a Blue Jay. It's a relatively simple process, so stick with me and I will show you all the steps from start to finish. Just to show you how quick and easy this can be, I'm going to do it in one take here by just sharing my screen on my computer. First things first, as an admitted student, you're going to want to log into the My Elmhurst student portal. You can access this by visiting our website, elmhurst.edu, and clicking My Elmhurst. The next page you're going to see is the home page, and you're going to want to make sure that you click on the admitted student portal, not current and not employee. From there, it's going to ask you to log in with your e-number and established password. Go ahead and do so. And then you're going to land on the home page here. There are quite a few different icons to look at, but you're going to want to click on TouchNet Deposits and Payments here in the lower right-hand corner. From there, you're going to log into the TouchNet Center, which is essentially our billing center. It does take a few additional seconds to load, so let it do its cooking. And once you're on the home page here, as an admitted student, this is generally going to look a little bit clearer. I am a graduate student currently, so what you're seeing here are some of the balances that I have for my classes. But you shouldn't be seeing anything quite yet, so feel free to go ahead and direct your attention to deposits by clicking on the button right here. From there, all that's left to do is really just follow the prompts on the screen. For term, all incoming freshmen should click on 2024 fall. As for the deposit itself, you're going to want to click on undergraduate deposit. Now, if you are also planning on submitting the housing deposit, that will be done separately, and I'll show you that as soon as we're finished showing these steps. So click on select, then get to the next page, which is more just a summary page, kind of highlighting what the tuition deposit is. Read through this to ensure that you understand what the tuition deposit is and that the information selected is correct, and click on continue. This next page then that you're going to see is just the payment selection page. We have a few different options available in terms of the tuition deposit, from a credit or debit card, checking your savings account, electronic check. So pick the option that works best for you and your family, and then follow whatever prompts dialog pops up to enter your account or payment information. And from there, as soon as you submit that, you'll get another summary page, confirmation page, just giving you the rundown of everything. Go ahead and confirm that everything is entered correctly, acknowledge the agreement statement that we have on the page, and submit your payment. Once you have done that, you will then be brought to the receipt page and will have access to the receipt, whether you want to print it or email it to yourself for record-keeping purposes. So that is the tuition deposit. If you want to submit the housing deposit, that can be done as a second step by just going back to the initial deposits page and going through all the same steps, but instead of clicking on undergraduate deposit, you're going to click on housing deposit fall. And then follow the same exact steps that I showed before. The only true difference between the two deposits are the amounts. The tuition deposit is $100 and for all incoming freshmen, whereas the housing deposit is $150 and only for students that want to live on campus. Like I said, relatively simple. If there are any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your assigned admission counselor or contact the front desk here in the Office of Admission. You can always reach us by emailing admit@elmhurst.edu or by calling 630-617-3400. Best of luck, future Blue Jays. Hope you enjoy making your tuition and housing deposits, and as always, we are here to help.